Welcome back to Gtco Media. How you doing at this hour? I'm here today to bring to you the vital information that will help you with your finances. I discovered that majority of us don't actually take our finances very seriously. I am planning on bringing to you a broadcast on the issue of pension and retirement wherever you are, most especially in the Western world. What are you doing to provide for the future? Number one. Yet, you haven't reached the age of retirement yet, but you are still working. You're paying bills left and right. You're buying stuff for yourself. Stuff you are buying, those that you will use right now, and those that are now actually useful for you for the future. But what I'm trying to say to you is how you can, provide for the future. Keep something aside. Pay yourself first before you pay your bills and all the rest. It's always very good when we talk about politics, religion, and all the rest, happening all around the world or happening around us. At the same time, we need to share with each other vital information that will make you safe for the future. Keep something aside, and I will be bringing to you from time to time on what to do to invest or what type of investments you can go in with your little money. We are all struggling, but at the same time, we need to learn from each other to save, put something aside, have a multiple stream of income because the salary you're earning now might not be enough for you. Even if it is enough for you, what are you doing to keep something aside for the future? Have you ever thought about that? That the time will come that the salary you are earning will not even be able to take care of your current expenses or expenses you used to run every month. And don't forget that when you pay your bills and all the rest, you're paying another people in business that they are earning on it. But what do you do to pay yourself? Now, there are several things to talk about in this financial aspect of a broadcast that I'm opening up for every one of us. Savings accounts. People might say, okay, yeah, when I get my money, I put my money in the savings account. Savings account is an aspect. But if you put your money in the savings account, what more do you do to maximize your income, your money, the interest that you receive on that savings account that you open with your bank? Anyway, there are a lot of things to unpack in this broadcast, a lot of things to unpack or to learn from each other about what to do and how to invest. When I talk about investment, I'm not here to tell you about get rich quick idea whereby okay somebody will tell you okay you put your money here you get this something back immediately or some stuff like that. No, that's not what we're saying. We are talking about investment on a long time, on a short time, on a medium time, so that at least you know that your money is working for you. It's not as if okay you put money somewhere and somebody said okay don't worry, Alibaba will bring money to you or for you tomorrow. What are you doing in your own little space? What are you doing in your own little space to get something extra to benefit you at the moment and in the future? And that is why I'm here. We will unpack a lot of things as time goes on, but let me let me inform you about why I'm here right now. I want to remind you, the investing public, about the public over that is going on in Nigeria now with the banks. There are public over in the market that you can buy. If you are used to it, get on it quickly, put your money down there, invest in those banks, be a part of the owner of the banks that are selling right now. And if you're actually not new, and you want to buy some rights on your previous investments as a stockholder of this type of banks that I'm talking about, the chance is open for you now to go to your stockbroker, approach those bank, and they will tell you the process you need to use to take your rights back, and at the same time to participate in the public offer that is in the market right now. Public offer is always very good. To put your money in there, and you will have a part of the bank. You'll be a part of the owner of the bank. But right now, the chance is here now because the chance don't come all the time. They don't come all the time. And I guess all these banks that are coming out also, they have plans for the money they want to collect or they want to borrow from the public to show up their own businesses as well. You know, banks also go into business. It's not only that they take money, they go into businesses to be able to make more profits, to pay you your interest and all the rest, and to pay, their investors as well. So please take the advantage right now. Fill in the form and invest in all these banks. It's nearing the time of closure. So please do something about it. For me, I have here the Access holding that is in the market right now. The Access holding is selling its own shares at 19 naira 75 at the present, and the offer will close on August 14, 2024. So the price of the shares they are selling now is 19 naira 75 cents, 75 kobo. So, and this offer is only open to the current shareholders of the bank, of Access Bank. So, if you're a current shareholders, please take the advantage and claim your right issue. They call it right issue. These are part of the jargon. These are part of the this part of the terminology that we need to explain to each other so that at least we understand what it is. But this only concerns those people that are already a shareholder of Access Bank. So it is in the market now. Even in fact, it was extended. It should have been closed, but it was extended up till August 14. So take up your offer because it's coming only to you as a shareholder. So the public won't be able to participate in this because it's a right issue and it is cheaper. If you look compared to the price in the market, the price of the shares in the market, and compared to this price that you have in now, I think they say you buy one for two existing shares that you've already held by Access Bank. So check it out. Take up your right issue. And another one that is in the market right now is Fidelity Bank. Fidelity Bank is outside. So Fidelity also they issue right. They have right issue with their own offer, and at the same time they have public offer. So it is combined right now, public offer with right issue. So I've explained what right issue really means. You're taking your chance, as like I explained. Then now, same thing is happening with Fidelity Bank. So they're talking about public offer. So these banks are coming into the market. They are coming to you, the people, the investors, or the old, to take this chance and buy a part of the bank so that you become a shareholder. So we will explain further. Probably you want to buy and sell right now, or you want to wait and hand dividend at the end of the accounting year of those banks. That is what it means. So, but as a new person that wants to go into buying shares as a means of saving your money or trading or stuff, then this is the chance for you because it doesn't come all the time. You buy right here now when the bank is selling, and that is what we call the public offer. You buy at the primary market. So you can also buy at the secondary market if you know how to deal with this, or if you miss this chance, you can ask your stockbroker to buy these shares and buy it for you from the secondary market. But it's always very very good to buy at the primary market, which is when the bank or the business is selling these shares by themselves. So Fidelity Bank is selling to you, the new investors or new people that wants to buy a part of Fidelity Bank. So to take up the right issue of Fidelity, the price is 9 naira 25 kobo. So 9 naira 25 kobo for those people that are already having shares with Fidelity Bank. So meaning that it is more cheaper than the public offer. So it is public offer when people come in from outside newly to have a part of the share of the organization. So public offer for Fidelity is 9 naira 75 kobo. So this offer closes at uh, very soon, August 12th, 2024. It closes very soon. So if you want to take up this offer, watch out for the time. It is the time now for you to buy these things. Contact your stockbroker. Go to them and tell them what you need, or contact your bank. They will be able to direct you further on how to get the form to be filled and send it to them, so that because if you miss the chance of buying during this period that it is open, then you will miss the discount that is always there when you buy right now. But the chance, like I said, you can still buy from the secondary market if you miss this chance. But this is a chance now that it is cheaper. Then you can buy right now and become a shareholder of that organization. So Fidelity is there in the market for you. Then we have Gtco. Guarantee Trust also is there. Guarantee Holding. So they are not issuing any right issue right now. They are only issuing public offer. It's very rare before you see them coming up and say, okay, they want to go to the public and ask for money from the public. But now it's a chance for us, for the investing public, to go and buy the shares. They sell it at 44 naira 50 kobo. So the offer also closes at August 12th, 2024. So buy Gtco, the owner of Guarantee Trust. They call it, Guarantee Holdings right now. Just like the Access, also they call it Access Holding right now. So the Access Bank, it is the same Access Bank. So Gtco is there in the market right now for their public offer. They don't always come to the public for this, but because they need to raise their capital, they need to show up their capital according to what the CBN, the central bank, wants them to do. So at least it's part of the scheme, and it's part of the thing they are trying to do to show up their standing in with the authorities. And at the same time, whatever money they realize, they will also use it as an investment to make more money for themselves and for the shareholder. So it is in the public now. You can buy right now that is in the public. This is not the first time they're having public offer. So the first time they used to have, when you have a company newly coming into the market to raise money, they said IPO. They call it IPO. So IPO is initial public offer. So initial public offer. So they've gone past initial public offer. So this is a public offer now for the investing public, and for the new people that wants to invest for their future, or wants to start a kind of stock trading or stuff. So you can buy Guarantee Trust shares now at this current price of 44 naira 50 kobo. It closes at August 12th, 2024, in a couple of days. Then another one in the market right now is Fcmb. We all know Fcmb. So they are out also with their own public offer, and the price is 7 naira 30 kobo. Offer closes at September 4, 2024. So grab this offer. Try your hand in something new. Maybe you might not be doing this before, but try yourself in something new. Try yourself. Do something new right now, so that at least you can have a change. Don't just stay in a place and say, okay, yeah, what you are doing is what you're gonna continue doing. But this is something else that can make you more money. It's something else that you can, get your brain busy with, something you have to think about at the same time. Knowledge you get from here, I am passing right here, and all the one you also collect from the comment section from other people will be an advantage for you to move on in life, or to move on in this investing project that I'm trying to introduce to you. It's not new, but majority of us don't know this. So you can invest also, take up and buy public offer from Fcmb. It is 7 naira 30 kobo. Offer closes September 4th. All of us cannot be stock trader, but we can be an investor. You can invest and put your money there. that over time, after the financial year, you'll be able to be part of the people that will attend, the board meetings. You have a right to vote over there. Those are part of the advantage when you have the shares of any company. You'll be invited, to the dinner, and you also hand your dividend, because the dividend is what is most important to me. Anyway, for me, when you invest over time and you are not trading on a daily basis, you know the chance you have to make money off from this bank or this organization or any organization like that is to hand your dividend from whatever they make as profit over time. So the dividend is sure for you. You might just buy the share and just leave it there like that. Everything will be going on. You don't have to worry about the money over there, other than the fluctuation in the stock market. Okay, yeah. If you don't want to make that as your own problem, leave it to the stockbrokers and just wait for the company. And the prayer is that the company you invested in, or you invest in, or the bank you invest in, won't go bankrupt. They also try to safeguard this not to go bankrupt. So definitely, that at the end of the year, when they close their account, you will be able to have your dividend pay back to you into your account. So it's outside now, and everybody is scrambling to get a share of all this. And I remember, I think I saw somewhere that Zenith Bank also is also out there trying to sell their own sell their own shares as well. So find out more, and if I get any information about Zenith Bank, I will bring it to you, so that at least you know what price they are selling and at what time they're going to close. So you have all these four now. Participate in it and do something about it. So, like I said, I have a lot of things to unpack for us, talking about stock trading, financial markets, and even the supermarket. I will talk about that as well, so that you know the difference between the supermarket and the financial market, and the stockbroking and the stockbrokers and the stockbroking market as well, so that at least you know how to navigate. We will take it, like starting from 0001. I say investment 001, so that at least we'll be guiding ourselves along the way to know what to do and what not to do and where to invest. Be it physical investments, it could also be financial investment that we're talking about. People talk about cryptos and all the rest, the virtual money and all the rest. All this will be discussed, as time goes on this channel. So I want you to see, go into what I said now. You have the chance of, buy new shares from these three banks. I mean, coming out to the market for their own public offer. There's chance for you, even if you have not done it before. You don't know nothing about it. Right now, you can buy. For me, I think the chance is open. This, all these are approved by the authority, and they don't just come to the market to sell their shares without the approval of the central bank and the issuing authorities and all the rest. So start today. Put money aside. Save something for yourself for the future, and create a kind of multiple stream of income. Then the next episode I'll be coming to you with, I will try to organize and try to bring to you a kind of jargon, financial jargon in the investing market. Maybe two or three of them. I will talk about them, like what is stockbroking, what is investment, and what is right issue, what is public offer, what is IPO. All these things will come to us. I will come to you and start to define them for you. Then I will come to you basically to talk about federal government bond. I'll talk about bonds as well. Should you invest in federal government bonds if you have extra money somewhere? Should you invest in treasury bill and stuff like this? All these classes of wealth management. I will go into them and let you know. Then we'll talk more about physical investment as well. I am not talking about get rich quick thing here, but we're talking about how you can keep little money that you have in your bank account. Be it you may be in the diaspora, there's chance for you to do that too. It's all over the world. Or be you at in Africa, anywhere in Africa, you can as well do that with your little money. Be it 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, because the money that our younger ones, the Gen Z, they spend on things they don't need is quite humongous. But if they could get educated, financially educated right now, they will be able to put something aside. Because sometimes ago somebody was telling me about a Gen Z that bought a phone of almost 750 or 1 million naira. A phone of 1 million naira, and you ask yourself, what would the phone yield for you afterwards? Even the big guys don't use phone up to this type of amounts of money that we're talking about. What investment have you made, or have you done in your life that you have to, the phone is only to say hello, how are you and stuff. But you need the phone quite all right. But that money is just too much. What we spend on recharge cards and all the rest, they're just too much. What we spend on parties and what we don't need are too much. But if you put something aside and keep it for the future, it will be the best for you. So, and that is why I am coming to you with this information. If you find this interesting and you find it beneficial, I want you to put your comment in the comment section. You can also suggest so that I can streamline what you want me to talk about, regarding this, broadcast, or this aspect of my broadcast that I'm bringing to you, so that we can just, we can sort it out correctly. Put your comment in the comment section. Let me learn from you so that you can also learn from me as well. Then like the broadcast, share it to every other person around you, your friend and foe. Doesn't matter, but let us benefit each other. Put on the notification button so that you can receive my information anytime I come to you on this aspect of investment. If it is this investment thing, it is what I do as well, but we can talk more about it. Share your experience with me. God bless you as you do. See you next time. Gtco Media. Bye for now.